Are you planning a home renovation or construction project? Before you dive in, there's one thing you absolutely must do. Avoid these common contractor mistakes that could cost you time, money, and endless headaches. Let's get started with the top 10 mistakes to steer clear of. Welcome to the Elite Service Masters channel. We're your go-to source for expert advice on home improvement, construction tips, and everything you need to know to make your projects a success. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's dive into today's topic. Starting any construction project can be both exciting and overwhelming, but nothing derails a project faster than avoidable mistakes. So today, we're breaking down the most common contractor blunders that can sabotage your plans. Whether you're a homeowner or a contractor, this guide is your blueprint for a smooth project. Let's dive in. First up, poor communication. You've heard it before, but it's worth repeating. Clear communication is key. Without it, misunderstandings happen, deadlines get missed, and you're left with a mess no one wants to deal with. So, establish a strong line of communication from day one. Regular updates, clear expectations, and quick responses can keep everyone on the same page and your project on track. Next, never skip the step of checking your contractor's credentials. It might seem like a hassle, but verifying licenses, insurance, and references can save you from hiring someone unqualified. Remember, a contractor might look great on paper, but without the right credentials, you could be setting yourself up for a disaster. You wouldn't buy a car without signing a contract, right? The same goes for hiring a contractor. A detailed contract is your safeguard against misunderstandings. Make sure every detail is in writing, from the scope of work to payment schedules. And yes, read the fine print. Skipping this step is like driving without insurance. You're asking for trouble. It's easy to underestimate costs, but that's a rookie mistake you can't afford. Construction projects are notorious for going over budget. Plan for the unexpected by setting aside a contingency fund, typically around 10–20% of your total budget. This cushion can save you from scrambling for cash when surprises inevitably pop up. Similar to contracts, make sure any changes during the project are documented in writing. Verbal agreements often lead to disputes, and without written records, it's your word against theirs. If you want to avoid confusion and ensure everything goes according to plan, get every change, big or small, in writing. We all love a good deal, but going with the cheapest contractor often backfires. The lowest bid might mean they're cutting corners or using subpar materials. Instead, focus on value. Compare quotes, check references, and choose a contractor who offers the best balance of quality and price. Remember, you get what you pay for. Permits might seem like a bureaucratic nightmare, but they're essential. Skipping permits or ignoring regulations can lead to hefty fines or even having to redo work. Trust us, that's not the kind of surprise you want. Make sure your contractor pulls the necessary permits and follows local codes to avoid legal troubles down the road. When you're eager to get started, it's tempting to hire the first contractor you meet. Big mistake. Take your time to research, interview multiple candidates, and check their previous work. The right contractor is out there, but you won't find them if you're in a rush. Remember, a little patience now can save you a lot of pain later. Setting clear expectations isn't just about what you want, it's about understanding what's realistic. Make sure you and your contractor agree on the timeline, materials, and final look of the project before work begins. Without this clarity, you might end up with a finished product that's far from what you envisioned. Last but not least, never skip the final walkthrough. This is your chance to catch any issues before the contractor packs up. Check everything against your contract, list out any problems, and make sure they're addressed before you make the final payment. It's the last step to ensure the job is done right, so don't rush it. Avoiding these common mistakes can mean the difference between a successful project and a total nightmare. Remember, it's all about planning, communication, and choosing the right contractor. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, these tips will help you stay on track. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on home improvement and project management. Stay informed, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching on the Elite Service Masters channel. Be sure to check out our other videos for more valuable insights and tips to help you master your next project. See you next time.